free books and cash on delivery. And this is the sections at comic book. This book I haven't really yet, but we post here, and if you want to make order, even if you haven't really yet, you can make the order. When it's ready, we will send to you. Now I'm going to show you how to make pre-order. This is at comic books in August 2024. If you want to order something, you can click. For me, I want to order this book, Forward to Love, Pesam. So if I want to order, currently we have provided 20 in stocks, and if you want to get 1 or 2 or 3, you can click and you can add to cart. For the add to cart, as you know that when we go ocean or something like that, we have carts to put something, some material. So the same like that too. Here we put the cart to put our book or material or something like that. And my friend already mentions about the add to cart, so I want to mention this anymore. Now I'm going to another section. This is the book section. This all kind of books are available in my website. Maybe some people will like fiction, some people will like non-fictions, comic, translations, or horror, or something like that. If you want to read fictions, you can click here, or not. If you want to read another, you can click to another place. Now I want to read fiction, so there's many kinds of books of fiction. So you can see here, you can make the order, you can get it directly if you order it. And another section is we provide our bestseller every upcoming month to year, every month we provide our bestseller with both attractive, with both the most device we provide it. And another one is get free PDF book. Our website is not only for selling, but also for offering free PDF book. You can come to our website and read the book freely. And also, we provide 7 free audio books. Maybe you want, if you are lazy to read, you can come to my website and listen it. And we have 7 order. There are 7 such as order, or just along something like that. If you want to see more, you can click to read more. And also quote, there's many quotes we offer. Maybe the quote that connects with life, the quote that connects with loss. You can see many quotes. And the last one is my full star. My full star is the summary of my website. Maybe you want to see a 12 or short hour or day contact at popular resources. You can see anything in the full star. And now I'm going to shopping center. This is my shopping center. And if you see the shopping center, you can scroll down a little bit, and one most important thing we provide is you get 20% discount. Maybe the book is 1,000, if you buy from our website, you just get 1,000. So this is our discount. You can come in here. We provide 2 kinds of material, maybe books and story material. Maybe you want to get pen or land for studying or correction pen, and you can come here and you will get it. Here is the place that you can find. Maybe you want to find our bestseller books or something like this. You want to get pen, and you can. For me, I want to find bestseller books, and I click Twitter. So I just see the bestseller book. Yeah, this is only bestseller books will be appear. Yeah, this is my shopping center. And if you want to see like something like this pen, you can click pen and you can see Twitter. So the pen will appear. So you can buy anything from here. And book section. This is the collection of books. Only books I provide here. Maybe some kind of book, such as bestseller book or non-fiction. As I mentioned before, there's many kind of books here. You can get it. And our very special one is to get free PDF book. Right now, I'm going to read with freely on our website. Here is the free book that you can read in my website. Maybe I want to read Logat's form, so I click here and I can read this now. And if I don't want to read it, so I can download it. And here is the place to download. I can download it and I will read this later. Now I move into audio section. Audio sections is, as I mentioned that, if you don't want to read book, you just want to listen, you can come to my audio books and listen, such as Tua Chokpan Le Lamo Pranara. This is really popular one now, and also Pansarairan or Penyalamon in Penyatran or maybe sentence like this, and more you can read, you can listen here. And also quotes. If you want to read our leader quotes or our order quotes, you can come here and read. There's many kind of this is quote. And for me, I want to read like the quote that's connected with slide. So I click slide and it will appear. The quote that's connected with lights will appear. Yeah, those are the quote that's connected with light. I will read for you one. Kala ton doy okay. Then I'll grab kala chop this off again. When I chop the you. This is quote connected with light. And another one is feature section. Feature section is like the feature that connected with our political and our literature and also our festival or our months. Everything connects with month and we will provide this here. So you can see and you can read as a feature. Every economist feature we will post here. Those are what I said about how the financial my website, how I have designed my website. So if you have any recommendation or feedback, you can give me directly and I'm willing to assist it. Thank you for everyone.